so this is my first, like, screen recording video, like, of, actually me talking. Wow. And music, no. So, I'm playing VR Hands. I honestly really want my own VR thing, but, like, you have to have a PlayStation for it. It's kind of ridiculous. Like, why can't you just hook it up to the gosh dang TV, So we're just gonna mess around. Dang it. Wow. I need shift log for, like, hobbies. How many VR people are in here? Oh, no. Okay. 5. Only 5? Oh, my God. And they're mean. See, like, there was this sweet girl, like, she allowed us... Whoa, wait. I'm very much lagging. I'm under the map, really? Really? No. I'm sorry, I'm such a mess. Oh my God. Come on. Wait, this person is, like, helping people. Or people are helping to get to the maze. Help us. Yo, help us. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Yo, we're all over here. Wow. Yeah. And I want VR so bad because, like, look at that. Look how fun it is. Literally, people kiss, which I'm not going to do, by the way. But, like, they'll kiss, which I'll try it. If I do end up doing this, I will try it just to see how people will react. And some people have fights. Like, they throw stuff. Look how many people are here. Like, we want to go. There you go. Come on. Let's take it. If I am, like, making that weird noise, it's me chewing gum. I'm sorry. Oh my God. We're screaming. Wait, I like his avatar up there. No. He just swiped. Thank you. You just made me die. I hope you're happy. You little shoot. You swiped your hand away. Whoa. No, I am not jumping. I don't trust you. Oh, you little trickster. Okay. I don't know if he was trying to trick people, but, like, that's kind of sketchy. Not gonna lie. Whoa. He's slowly, like... Oh my gosh. No, don't fall off the map. I'm gonna fall off the map because I'm gonna see the map, not the map. Come on, bruh. Where are they? I'm coming. Yo. Whoa. Okay. No. Thank you for both hands, though. You little shoot. You kind of helped me out, though, there. You made me get to the other thing. Thank you. Okay, come on, boy. Don't say throw. Okay, whatever. Now help us. And don't fling us. Thank you. Move. Let me get... Why do they keep doing that? Yo, no, land on one of them. Net Brady. Oh my God. I don't know if this audio is even picking up. Like, why? Oh my God. I'll rather just reset and walk over there. This will be, like, much faster. Yo. No. Your hand. Your stupid ass big hand. Thank you. I don't think he's actually trying to fling me. I think he's just, his hand is messing up or whatever. Not working. I don't know. Come on, bruh. come on. Bruh, come on. No one's over there. No! Oh my god. Why? Literally, if I whisper, everybody's gonna hear me. Oh my god, I don't care. You followed me. Go. Bruh. Okay. Thank you. Now come over here before I go over there and die again or fall. Still, same thing. I fall and fell. Is he trying to do this? Because I have a feeling he's just trying to do this to aggravate this shit on people. Come on, bro. You're mean. Oh, yeah. You don't know how to spell mean. Yo, let me up. Whoa! Is he trying to help? Oh. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, I'm like up high, but nobody's up here. I want to jump down. You know, it doesn't matter. I mean, there wouldn't be a war. Whoa. What's happening? Like, he didn't do anything, I swear. I literally watched him. No hand hit me. Don't do that. Bruh. I'm trusting you. There, just go. Come on, guys. It's fine. I don't know if he's meaning to do that or not. I don't know if he's annoying me. Come on. By the way, here's an outfit tour. Yeah, wow. I don't know why people hate Slender so much, but what the hell? Whatever. My voice doesn't fit my outfit. Okay, whatever. Come on. They're literally taking 18 years right when I go over there. You follow. Come on. Bro, there's nobody else. Also, he's mean. He literally. Okay, but he's mean to some people. Come on. Bro, I'm gonna leave. Thank you. Now, put your hand. He's gonna flip us. He's gonna flick me on accident. I swear he is. Okay. There's way too many people over here. Okay. No, you're gonna flick me. Okay. I don't think he was trying to. Oh my gosh, I almost died. You had to pick us all up. I don't think he was trying to. I think he was just going too fast. He was going too fast a lot. Oh, he's just going to pick us up all the way. Wait, I'm scared. No. Really? Oh my god. Where's he bringing me? Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm actually gonna make it. What's up here? Nobody? Or we just have to do this? I'm scared. What's gonna happen? No, your little stupid head. You! Yes, I'm down here too. His stupid head. Big fat head. Help. Bitch, help. Help. Bruh. Coming over here. You. Notice us. Stop following me or friending me. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. She's actually being helpful. Thank you. Very much. Now where do we go? I'm going to get knocked by his bare head. Where now? Is this where we came from? Because I really don't know. I'm scared. Where do we go? Oh my god, bro. Whoa, these chairs. Little Nas at 2 people. 2 of them? I literally just spit all over my screen. Bruh, no. Hackers. Hackers. Oh, wait, did they just hit him? No. Okay, so I guess this is it, right? Oh my god, you got egg on your head, girl. Wow, rhyme. Did it? No, really. Tap me. Tap, tap, tap in. Girl. I'm mad. It took forever just for somebody to pick me up. Come on. It's not fair. Not funny. Okay, yeah. I'm making sure if I can stop the screen recording on my phone in Roblox. Yeah, everybody's down here now. Okay, I'm going to the other maze. Maybe other people are nicer over there because I don't know. Of course, went to the wrong one. Come on, maybe actually people will enjoy this YouTube. No one's over here. Maybe people will like enjoy this YouTube better. You know, I don't know, maybe. Yo, you caught me off guard. You distracted me, idiot. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Come on. Oh. Yo. I'm still on you somehow. Get me. Really? Come on. Let's go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, come on. I ain't playing around no more. Come on. Were you trying to take us all somewhere? I bet you were. Bro. See, he's trying to take us somewhere. He's just going way too fast. I think that's what he doesn't understand. He's just taking us too fast. Oh, I thought she was bald. The rocket, yes. This will be actually pretty easy. He's gonna throw us. He's just gonna throw us. No. I'm telling you. Is he? Wow, I'm the only one. Okay. This is my new bae. Look how hot she is. Look at the face. Wow. And look at my poor ass face. That was 1001. Robux. Oh. But, you better get me up. No. Oh my god. No! You little shit. Come on. No. We need to play other games beside this, though. No! You little bacon. Purple bacon. Dreads thing. You can do it. Bro, we're playing a different game. This is not fun anymore because everybody keeps it just I don't know. Let's play a ragdoll engine and push people. Hey girl, hey sexy, come over here. Come here, girl. Bye. Hey, hi. I see you're slender too. But your outfit is actually way better than mine. Do not push her. Excuse me, bruh. I don't think I can push her right now. Can I? No, because I push her. Hey, you little shit. No. Why are there bombs everywhere? Hi. Hi. Come on. Come on. Bro. Come on. Come on. What did he say? What did he say? Come on. I have to wait 15 seconds. I accidentally pushed. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh. Lay down on her. Push her. Push you in the pool. I'm gonna push you. Bye. Bye, Felicia. I'm having fun bothering people. Change it to I'm watching in their conversation. Ha! Knock him off. Knock him off. That's what he did to me. That's what he did. Well, we both. You can't get up like that. You can't. Really. This little girl. This little ass girl. Oh, so sad. Get on her. Get on. No. Oh my god. No. No, I'm not gonna stop. Oh, she's so mad right now, I bet. She's probably screaming. Her little iPad. Oh my god. Bah. Brr, brr, brr. Oh, whoa. Okay. He can't push me if we're dolled. Yo, yeah. I can still push you. I can still kick you and move you. All your emojis got tagged. Bruh, what? How'd you not go down? You little... Hey. Hey, girl, hey, I didn't mean... Hey, girl, I just want to say hey. See how your day been? Rat. But your body, bomber, it's called bomber. Oh, whoa. Oh my god, someone's got anger issues. Whoa, wait, magic. Blech. I can still move you. Push you. What? Mama, what you gonna do now? You little shit. No, I'm not gay. See, she moved. See? Fuck myself? Okay. I will go do that. Excuse me while I'm just freaking myself. I'm just gonna do this. Am I doing a good job? Now go. I'm gonna do it right here on you. Oh my god, that sounded so wrong. Bye. He's the one that started it. Oh, there is my random friend. No, you little butthole. Go. Wow, this is actually fun. Bork. Hi. It's the girl, my girlfriend. I'm a girlfriend. Oh my gosh. Bombs, bomb. Hey, I just wanted to put you on the ground and say hi. Oh, whoa. Look at that. Okay. That happened to me, that walk. Hey, Toast Crunch. You little, No, come here. I want to go. No. Really? Oh my gosh. Hi, I just want to say, Mr. Green. Okay, you spelled it's M-R, by the way. Do you walk like that too? Wait, well, okay. Dang it. Here, no. There's a little stupid rats. Where did they go? Are they still behind here? Where'd they go? The rats went away. Maybe they went to their dumpster where they belong. Say push. Oh. Okay. I'm running away. Bye. Oh. Hey.